The newest generation of professional skincare is now available at home with the NIRA Skincare Laser. Combining the latest in anti-aging laser technology with professional strength skincare products, NIRA delivers dramatic results at home. Wash, cleanse, and completely dry your face before using the NIRA laser. Turn on your NIRA Beauty device by pressing the power button once. The NIRA laser will automatically turn on to your last power level. Press the power button again to increase the power level to the desired strength. There are 5 power levels. Use the highest power level where you feel warmth without discomfort. Press the tip of the NIRA laser flat against your skin. Press the treatment button. You will hear one beep. Keep the tip of the laser completely pressed to your skin during treatment. After about a second, you will hear another tone signaling that you are ready to move the laser to the next spot. Treat the skin in a linear pattern so that all areas of interest are treated evenly. Typically, 50 pulses are needed below each eye for complete coverage. Move your NIRA laser slightly lower for each new row of treatment. During treatment, you should feel a slight warming sensation. If you do not feel warmth, increase the power level. If you feel discomfort, decrease the power level. You do not need to feel any discomfort to get great results. During treatment, if the device is lifted before the second tone or isn't positioned properly, the NIRA device will make a lower-toned beep, signaling an error. You should lift the laser tip and reposition to the next spot, being careful to place the device tip fully flat against your skin. When you have finished treating, hold down the power button until you hear 3 low-pitched tones to turn off the laser. Apply NIRA skincare products and reduce fine lines. The NIRA Skincare Laser is suitable for all skin types, easy to use, and takes just 2 to 4 minutes a day. Bring professional skincare into your home with NIRA. Experience the beautiful, youthful-looking skin you deserve.